I'm going to show you how to create this Game Boy shader that can be applied onto any scene. It's a canvas shader, but before diving into the code, I'm going to go over the general approach. So we take a color, let's say orange, and that's represented with RGB values ranging from 0 to 1. If we average those values, we can represent this color in grayscale if its RGB values are all that average value. Then we can plot this RGB value into a range from 0 to 1, and depending on what range it falls into, that determines what color, what Game Boy color gets set. So I'm going to create a color rect from scratch so you can follow along. So we'll start by dragging this across the screen and creating a new shader. Shader type canvas item. And then I'll go ahead and expose some colors so that you can set these to whatever Game Boy colors you want to use. So we'll have dark, darkest, light, and lightest. So here are those colors as shader parameters. So then just set them to whatever you want. Then we'll create our fragment shader and start by just grabbing the color on the screen. And now we'll go ahead and get the RGB average by getting the sum of the RGB values dividing by 3. And now we're going to set the color depending on what range this RGB value average falls into. So if it's less than 0.25, we'll set the color to be the darkest color. If it's less than 0.5, we'll set it to be the second darkest color. If it's less than 0.75, it'll be the second lightest color. Otherwise, it'll be the lightest. And there you go. That's your Game Boy shader. Thanks for watching.